According to Forbes, Cristiano Ronaldo earned $115 million between May 2021 and May 2022, making him the third highest paid athlete in the world. The 37-year-old, who now holds the record for most goals scored in soccer history, has made well over $1 billion throughout the course of his long career. Here is a breakdown of the forward for Manchester United's income and expenses. But before we get started, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification, because that will enable us to keep creating the luxurious content you enjoy. Ronaldo earned $60 million on the field last year. During the 2020-21 season, Ronaldo made $630,000 per week playing for Manchester United, making him by far the highest paid player in the English Premier League. Although United's failure to qualify for the Champions League has resulted in a 25% reduction in his wage for this season, he will still be the second highest earner in the league, after Kevin De Bruyne of Manchester City. The soccer star earned $55 million in off-field income last year. With 472 million Instagram followers, Cristiano Ronaldo is the most popular user and possesses significant influence over sponsors when it comes to landing expensive sponsorship deals. Due of his account's extraordinary reach, a single social media post might be valued up to $1.6 million, according to a social media analytics company. The Portuguese icon also enjoys lucrative deals with Herbalife, Tag Heuer, and Clear Shampoo in addition to his $1 billion lifetime contract with Nike. Only LeBron James and Roger Federer earn more off-field income than Ronaldo. Astonishingly, Ronaldo's collection of high-end vehicles is worth $24 million. A Mercedes G-Wagon Brabus, 5 Ferraris, and an extremely rare McLaren Senna are all part of the collection. His Rolls-Royce Cullinan is his favorite vehicle. Ronaldo calls the SUV, which cost $360,000 in 2019, wonderful. Ronaldo's Bugatti Centaudici is one of just 10 in existence and was bought in February 2021 to commemorate his 36th birthday. The vehicle has a top speed of 236 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. In Mallorca, where Ronaldo and his family were on vacation, Ronaldo's security smashed the star's Bugatti Veyron into a stone wall. The 1,200 horsepower supercar's front was severely damaged, but the driver was unhurt. In addition to a $9.7 million, 7-story mansion in his native Madeira, Ronaldo also has a residence in the region north of Madrid and a vacation home in the Portuguese town of Guiars. Additionally, he is the owner of Lisbon's most expensive residence, which is worth $7.3 million. Located in an exclusive country club in Marbella, Spain's Costa del Sol, Ronaldo paid $1.6 million for this magnificent property in 2019. The Otero Group, a luxury villa builder, constructed the home, which has an infinity pool, LED roads, and a built-in theater. Additionally, Conor McGregor's similar property is also nearby. Ronaldo spent $7 million on the Azimuth Grand 27 Metri, a luxury vessel, last year. The ship includes 6 exquisitely furnished bathrooms and 5 opulent staterooms. Additionally, it has a sleek kitchen, a lounge, a sumptuous dining room, 2 places to unwind, and a bar on the deck. Ronaldo is a man who knows how to accessorize, as evidenced by his $360,000 diamond ring and $1.5 million Franck Muller watch covered in diamonds. According to Mail Online, he gave Georgina Rodriguez a $725,000 engagement ring and a $130,000 Louis Vuitton jewelry box last year to go with her $3.1 million bracelet collection. In case that's not enough, Ronaldo even owns a hotel chain. He owns the Pestana Hotel Group's lifestyle hotel business. Despite having hotels in New York City, Lisbon, Paris, Marrakesh, and Madrid, the chain's flagship property is a 4-star hotel in Funchal, Madeira, the island where Ronaldo was born. The hotel in Funchal, which is styled after Cristiano Ronaldo, has spectacular harbor views, spa amenities, and is connected to Ronaldo's personal museum. Cristiano Ronaldo's lifestyle is extravagant, and could make even a king blush. However, he has stated that even though he has, quote, millions and billions, the most important thing will always be family. What would you do with $1 billion? Let us know down in the comments below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe because that will allow us to show you luxurious things each and every